Hello everyone, good day. My name is Ivanel A. Lacorte, an Accounting and Finance staff at Liceo de Cagayan University. I hold a Bachelor of Science in Computer Information System and a Master in Business Administration from the same institution. In this presentation, I will be discussing my research on satisfaction, motivation, and access to quality education in the City Scholarship Program. This study aims to evaluate the effectiveness of the program in supporting scholars' academic success and personal growth. The primary reason for conducting this research is to address the lack of studies in city-funded scholarship programs. While many scholarships exist, little research had been done on their effects, particularly on student satisfaction, motivation, and access to quality education. By studying this, we aim to provide insights into how this program benefits students and what improvements can be made. The objective of this study seeks to evaluate the city scholarship program by assessing students' satisfaction, motivation, and access to quality education. The ultimate goal is to determine whether the program meets its intended purpose and how it can be improved for the future scholars. To support our research, we anchored our study on four key theories. The first one is the social capital theory. The second one is the expectancy value theory. The third theory is the human capital theory, and the last one is the Maslow's hierarchy of needs. This research has three independent variables: the demographic profile, satisfaction, and motivation. And the dependent variable is the student access to quality education. This framework helps analyze how the scholarship program influences student success and access to education, providing insights for its enhancements. The methods used in this study first is the research design. We employed a descriptive, correlational, and causal research design. For the research settings, the study was conducted at Liceo de Cagayan University, where the City Scholarship Program is implemented. For the participants, we surveyed 301 City Scholar students from Liceo University. For the research instruments, a self-made and modified questionnaire was used to collect data. To analyze the data, we have four statistical use: the frequency and percentage, mean and standard deviation, person correlation, and the multiple regression. To interpret the data collected, we utilize the following statistical tools. First, from the frequency and percentage, this was used to analyze the demographic profile. For the mean and standard deviation, they were used to measure the average level of students' satisfaction, motivation, and perceived access to quality education among scholars. Third is the person's correlation analysis. This method was applied to determine the relationships among key variables such as satisfaction, motivation, and access to quality education. Multiple regression analysis used to understand the relationship between one dependent variables and two or more independent variables. This will investigate how the scholarship promotes academic accomplishments, its impact on student retention, motivation, and students' impression of the program. For the discovery results and discussions, under the demographic profile, the study reveals that most scholarship participants are a 19-year-old female students enrolled in BS Psychology, primarily in their second or third year of college. Most come from a low-income families with parents who are college graduates. For the satisfaction, students rate diversity highest, reflecting the program's commitment to equal opportunities. Resources score lower but are well received, requiring improvements. Future efforts should enhance access while maintaining strengths. For the motivation, based on academic, financial, professional, and personal growth, scholars are highly motivated, showing that financial aid, academic support, and development opportunities boost their performance, confidence, and degree completion. Under access to quality education, the findings demonstrate that effectively enhances students' access to quality education, ensuring not only academic support but also opportunities for personal and professional growth. A significant relationship between the access to quality education. The result, all variables have a significant positive correlation, meaning better scholarship support leads to higher motivation, satisfaction, and improved access to quality education. Factor influences students' access to quality education. The result of this is financial supports and services are the key to students' access to quality education in city scholarship programs. Strengthening aid and support services will be maximize also student success. In regards with the discussion on research finding and conclusion, the study confirms that the city scholarship program significantly impacts student satisfaction, motivation, and access to quality education. Student satisfactions, scholars were highly satisfied with financial, academic resources, and support services. Study facilities and digital tools needed for a better academic experience. The program fosters academic excellence and career growth by reducing financial stress and providing internship opportunities. It also ensures inclusivity, offering equal access to education through modern tools and specialized courses. While the scholarship effectively supports students, addressing infrastructure gaps can future improve the learning experience and maximize its impact. To summarize, what the scientific community must remember, scholarship programs play a crucial role in student success and education equity. This study emphasized the connection between financial aid, motivation, and access to quality education. So the researcher and policymakers use the insights to improve financial aid, system, and student support services. Sharing these findings in academic and policy forums can promote evidence-based strategies for better global education access and outcomes. Here are the following recommendations to enhance the city scholarship programs. Stakeholder must take key actions. For the city governments, increasing funding, improve study spaces, and invest in digital tools. For the school administration, upgrade facilities, expand career programs, and gather student feedback. For the teachers, provide mentorship, integrate technology, and recognize students' achievements. For the students, maximize resources and focus on academic and personal growth. For the parents, support students in utilizing resources and maintaining well-being. Policymakers, expand funding, improve support services, and update policies. For the future researchers, access long-time impacts, digital tools, and best practices. By working together, these efforts will strengthen the program and ensure lasting student success. And, the, and in the impact of the study, this study highlights key benefits of the city scholarship programs. Improve student satisfactions, motivation, and access to quality education. Financial support and student services play a crucial role in academic success. So reduce financial stress lead to a better academic performance. Increase career opportunities through internships and mentorships. Enhance inclusivity by ensuring equal access to education. Identify the need for better digital tools, study facilities, and specialized programs. Provides valuable insights for policymakers, educators, and administrators to improve scholarship programs. These findings emphasize the program's positive impact and areas for further development. The insight and personal journey of this research, this experience deepened my understanding of financial aid's impact on student success and highlight scholar struggles and achievements. It required sacrifices, tested my perseverance, and strengthened my analytical skills. Ultimately, it inspired me to advocate for a better educational opportunities and support system. The following is the list of my references used in this study. This marks the conclusion of the discussion of this topic. Thank you for your time and have a wonderful day, everyone. God bless.